Hi guys, my name is Jid and welcome to my channel. In today's video we try to see a new functionality, a new feature of the DJI app in the 2023. That's mean is the possibility of changing the maximum and minimum speed for the three mode, Cine, Normal and Sport. Is very useful not only for obtaining the best cinematographic footage in the Cine mode, but also for one other interesting thing. Let's jump into the video and check it out. So here we are in the setting under the control panel, and we search for gain and expo tuning in the middle. Okay, now we see the three mode, Cine, Normal and Sport, and we go under the Cine mode to decrease the three parameters of speed: horizontal, ascent and descent. We decrease to minimum, so 3.6 km/h. Okay, all three like so, and that's all. And finally we are on the field with the Mini 3 Pro ready for takeoff, and Luca with the RC controller in his hand. Luca is now preparing for the takeoff. Is only the second time he try this new drone. Okay, Luca, let's go and take off. Very well. Now we up the drone a little bit. We are now in the normal mode because it is the only way you can use for the takeoff. We change to Cine mode in just a moment. Okay, let's go to Cine mode and we try the new experience with the slow speed of Cine mode. Now we go to the right and to the left. First to the right. Okay, at the maximum of the stick extension. Well done, Luca. We come back to the left in the same way and stop, and we try the forward movement and the backward, but we will see better when he get back. Alright, here we go, and we stop and get back. Very slow, but is the maximum speed that our Mini 3 Pro can reach. 3.6 km/h. Perfect.